Hi, welcome to CATECH Tutorials. Today class we are going to learn about this model. These are all basic for those who are learning first time. So for those people I am giving this tutorial. So it is very basic and intermediate level classes it is. Okay, let's see. Select the plane. Here initially I am drawing a curve. It is 48 mm diameter, so I think it is 24 radius. Okay, let's see. Here it is. Not exact up. Center, sign constraint. Now it is constraint. So I have another circle, concentric, and its diameter is 80 mm. So here I am choosing 40 mm radius. Okay, I'm done with them. Let's give a line. Yes, these are all things. Okay. Yes. Let's constrain with this. Now it is constrained, fully constrained. Okay. What is the total width of this part? It is 64. So exit the workbench. Consider the pad. It is 64 means I am giving 32 with mirror extend. Okay. This is the one part. Now I am selecting this bottom plane. Okay. So here circle with a 48 mm diameter. I mean 24 with radius. This is a part, and from this center circle center to this axis, this plane, its distance is 64. Okay, this is the part we need. So here I am selecting a rectangular tangency. Okay. Done. And from center pointer here it is 35. Select 30. Yes, it's enough. Now erase these are all things. Sorry. And this is the shape we need. Exit the workbench. Give the pad with a 16 mm thickness. Okay. This is a part. Here we have one hole with a 24 mm diameter. So I need this sketch edit because I need to give a dimension. So from this part to this part it is 64. Okay. Yes, it is 64. Exit the workbench, preview, and depth is 16 mm. Yes, done. So once let's check the drawing. Yes, it is 48 80 mm diameter. 8 mm gap. Yes, it is obviously it is 60 mm thickness with radius. This curve is 48 mm because here we give width. Okay, and this inner diameter is 24. From this plane to the center point it is 64 mm. Done. Here we have some edge fillet, but there is no dimension. So here I am giving edge fillet with the 10 mm preview. So it's getting too much with 10 mm. With 5 mm it is okay. Okay, this is a part we have done in this class. So this is a final model. Sorry, final. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.